Hi people, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is Dasani Purified water. Yeah, okay, well, this is a special kind of water. It's made with enhanced minerals, a pure and fresh taste. The minerals in there are supposed to be very, good for your health, make you, feel like you're tasting water fresh from the mountains and clean and pure. Now, in my opinion, this water tastes just like any other water to me. I tried it. I bought like a 6-pack of it because I heard so many good things about it, like it was very special and that, it's very different than your average water. Now, just in my opinion, just my very humble opinion, I really don't really see the difference in the taste. I thought there was going to be some kind of flavor or something that gives it that nice crisp taste or something that makes it stand alone. I mean, it tastes clean. There's no like bitter aftertaste or any kind of displeasant taste in the water itself or anything like that. It does taste fresh. It does, I think it tastes better than tap water. But to me, it's just like any other water. And it really is no big deal to me, in my opinion. It doesn't taste bad, and I tried it several ways. I got it really cold because that's how I really like my water. Like, not frozen or anything like that, or with ice in it, just like really ice cold, but be liquid, really, really cold on a hot day. That's what I really like, the taste of water at its best. And I tried it that way, and it was fine. But it didn't taste much different than any other brand that I've tried. Actually, just in my opinion, I haven't really tasted a water that really stands alone. I mean, they all pretty much taste the same to me. I'm not expecting like fireworks or anything when I drink it or anything, but I know it's just what certain people say, that, oh, this water is the best. Oh, it's just so good and things like that, And I guess as good as water gets, this does it. But when you drink it, I mean, if you were like me and you've never, tried this before and you're going in thinking it's kind of a nice fancy bottle and the font on there is like really special looking and everything, and it just looks very different than your generic water bottles. You're thinking that you're gonna get something very like a brand new experience, but to me it really doesn't give me that. I mean, I can't say I was disappointed because water can just be so good, right? Water is water and it's a necessity, but it's in the end, it's gonna taste like water. But I don't think people should say that it's like so great. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh God, you gotta get this water. It's just so awesome. Because water can just taste so good, right? It's in the end, it's just gonna taste like water, So, it's not sparkling or anything like that. There's no carbonation or anything. It's just a nice, clean tasting water, plain and simple. So yeah, I liked it, but it's still just water. One thing I really did like about it though, it's very eco-friendly. These are plant bottle packaging on these bottles. 30% of the packaging is made from plants. So, that is a really cool thing. So, they are thinking about something that's very good, that so kind of, would help to support them and their endeavors to make this water. It's a really good deal. Okay. But other than that, I think it's just like water. Just tastes like regular water, but better than tap. Okay. Well, we've been talking about the Dasani Purified Water. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.